guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, by now you all must be aware that transition of power is going to happen soon in Canada. I read somewhere it's on Friday, but I did not go through the full news, so I do not know for sure whether it was like through sources or official. But it's going to happen soon based on what I read in the news. Mr. Carney has been selected as the new leader of the Liberal Party of Canada, which is in power. So as per the rules and as per the resignation filed by our current Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Trudeau, he is gonna come to the power. Now related to this, a lot of people are asking that how it's gonna impact immigration. So related to this, I want to make this video and I'm gonna share my understanding. But just want to confirm, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. So guys, in my opinion, it will not change anything. Yes, but certain occupations will be prioritized. And the reason is, if you see the profile of Mr. Carney, he has a strong financial background where he has led Bank of England and also Bank of Canada in past. That means from economic point of view, this guy looks to be like a master. Somebody who has led two major financial institutions. I mean, it's huge, right? I don't have to describe how big the matter is. So definitely, like everyone has better economic decision expectation from him, same as me. So what I assume, he is definitely going to work on immigration, because immigration is a major factor regardless of the numbers that we see. So he is going to prioritize certain streams where we have huge shortages, for example healthcare. So we'll see that on that. Another thing that I see is that because of the background this guy has, most probably I believe that we are gonna see that certain red tapes that makes it very difficult for internationally trained, highly skilled professionals in the shortage occupations to work here in Canada. Probably that are going to be removed or at least adjusted. Something is going to happen, right? I should not be saying that this will happen, that will happen, but in my opinion, something is going to happen in that direction and we'll see better outcomes over there too. So that is what I believe, guys. Now you let me know what you think is going to happen. Now elections are coming in October, because that's where the regular election times are scheduled, and because of this trade war going on with USA, equations are changing. So it's really hard to predict as of now who's going to come into the power. We'll see this, and I'll make more videos as things develop. Now for this video, what you think about it, please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.